Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify the sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and the privilege of a conversation with Mr. Nani Suarez. So, can you introduce yourself to those who don't already know who you are?
Thank you, Darren. It's a pleasure to be here with you. I'm Hernani Soares, a lawyer with residence in Cape Verde. I have around 20 years of experience here in these great islands. I am the former president of the Cape Verdean Bar Association, and my practice is tax, corporates, and telecommunication.
So, for that 1 year, that holder of the visa will not be taxed by Cape Verde. Right, so you get an exemption. So, my question is, what is the tax system of Cape Verde normally like for normal tax residents who don't have that benefit that the nomad visa holders would have? What is the tax system like, roughly?
In Cape Verde, we have to separate them. Cape Verdean tax residents, individuals, normally are subject to a personal income tax on a worldwide basis. Of course, it's applicable for the resident individuals. We have some categories of income. Normally, the income of the workers are the category A. They are not obliged to declare the income, but on the category B, that's other professionals. For example, a lawyer is in the category B, and it's mandatory to declare the income. For non-residents, individuals are subject to a personal income tax only on Cape Verdean source income at a flat tax rates that are the same as those applicable for resident taxpayers. But for the nomad, as I said, on the first year, they are totally exempt. Normally, the tax rates vary depending on the type and the amount of income. This is applicable for the resident. We have progressive rates up to 27 to 35%. The maximum, I think, is 35%. But our tax rate is very, very, very attractive.
Yes. So it depends on the category of income, depends on how much income, but it's progressive up to 35%. And corporate tax rates?
Corporate tax, actually, for this year, 24, is the rate is 21%. And I forgot to say that for the digital nomads, if they stay more than 1 year, they can be taxed just for their income earned in Cape Verde.
Okay. So that's interesting. So if they stay for more than 1 year, then they could be subject to tax on Cape Verde's source income only. Now, if they're working remotely from Cape Verde, maybe they're running the small business, maybe they're a consultant, maybe they're a lawyer or whatever, but they're servicing clients outside of Cape Verde from their laptop in Cape Verde, does that count as Cape Verde's source income?
If you earn money here, they will tax you. If they pay you in Cape Verde, source income will be considered in Cape Verde. So probably our service of tax will charge you. But we don't talk about the non-habitual resident tax regime, but you will see that it's very, very attractive too. If you want to have a small business here in Cape Verde as a non-habitual resident, the flat rate is 10%. You know, that's very, very attractive.
So this flat rate of 10%. And this is a flat rate. Okay, but before we get to that, I just want to make sure that I clarify and I understand. So if it is that you're working remotely from Cape Verde after 1 year and your clients are outside, are you still under the protection or the regime that's available to digital nomads? Or are you now considered a regular tax resident of Cape Verde and therefore taxing your worldwide income?
Yes. If you stay more than 1 year, you have to change your visa. Probably because the regime is considered that you will spend around 1 year.
So it's not renewable. It's 1 year and it cannot be renewed.
Because normally they don't spend a lot of time in one country.
Okay, so that is good to know. So it's 1 year and that's it.